Hello there, crafty friends. It's Alicia of the Call Me Crafty Al YouTube channel, and I am here today with the final details on how you can win one of 4 paper pumpkin kits I am giving away to celebrate my 5,000th subscriber. I hope you'll stick around and find out how you can enter. Thanks so much for stopping by today. As I mentioned in the intro, I'm going to be giving the details on how you can win one of the prizes in my 5K subscriber giveaway. Over the past week or so, I have been sharing the alternatives that I made using the June 2019 paper pumpkin kit. Now, if you have not seen these videos, they are all linked in my playlist in the description box below, so make sure you go check them out. And while you're watching them, you want to be listening for the secret word. In each of the videos I have posted, I had one secret word that you needed to listen or look for. And that is what is going to get you entries into my giveaway. Before I tell you how to enter, let's go ahead and find out who can enter. This is going to be for subscribers to my channel who are 18 years or older, and you do have to live in the United States. First of all, I don't think they do paper pumpkin outside of the US and Canada. And I've also heard that you need to buy from a demonstrator from whatever country you're in. So since I bought these codes in the United States, I'm not even sure you could use them anywhere. Now you do have 4 chances to win since I have 4 different kits. And here's what you're going to have to do. You're going to send me one email at callmecraftyal@gmail.com. That is in the description box below if you didn't catch it off of the screen. In the subject line, I want you to put 5K giveaway. And then in the body of the email, put your YouTube username, your first name, and then give me a list of the words that you have collected. Again, just one email, please, so I can keep all of these straight. And then, once the giveaway window is over, I will use random.org to choose 4 winners. Once you have won one kit, I will take your name out of the drawing, just so we can spread the love a little bit more. Now for the deadline. Because I want you to have the chance to get the July kit if you want it, and I believe that you would have to sign up by July 10th, I will need the email by midnight on Monday, July 1st. And then I will come back to do the drawing on Wednesday, July 3rd. And then you just need to get a hold of me as soon after that as you can. I will give a week on that original drawing before I do a redraw of your prize. So that way, if somebody's not going to collect their prize, I can move on to the next person who might want it. If you have any questions on anything, you're probably not the only one, so make sure to leave those in the comment section below, and I will get back to you just as soon as I can. Until my next video, good luck, and I hope you're having a crafty day.